गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भवताप प्रणाशिन्ने आनंद घनमूर्ते ज्ञान भक्ति प्रदायिन्ने मातस्तुभ्यं नमो नमः। जय माँ, जय माँ all of you. Write Jai Ma in the comments. Do me a favor, not on Facebook. Thank you. Okay, this is about my mother. One story. My mother, like I had told you earlier, she was my backbone. She was my moral support in my life, okay? Now, she didn't believe in all this. My father did, but she didn't. But she used to come with us all the time to Ma. And Ma was very fond of her. That is there. Because I remember whenever I went without her, just with my father, okay? She would look at me and she would say, Teri maa nahi aayi? So once it happened, twice it happened, and every time then it was happening. Whenever my mother was not there with us, she would say, Teri maa nahi aayi? And I would say, she's not even looking at me. She's always asking about my mother. She's not even looking at me. I used to feel very bad at that time. That I'm standing right in front of her and she's not saying anything to me. She's always asking about my mother. So she was very fond of my mother and she used to tell my father, बहुत अच्छी औरत है, you know. So once what happened is, she called my mother for a private to her room. Ma called her, okay. And she said, बैठ जाओ. So my mother sat down. Then she says, देखो तुम्हारा पति कितना जप करता है, कितना ध्यान करता है, 4-4 घंटे सुबह शाम करता है, कितना कुछ करता है, तुम भी तो करो, you know, she said. So my mother said, look Ma, it's very clear. She was very practical, down to earth. She said, देखो माँ, मेरे पति को आपने बहुत चमत्कार दिखाए हैं, बहुत कुछ उनको दिया है, आपने मुझे तो कुछ नहीं दिया, आप मुझे दो तब मैं मानू ना, she saying. And then she says, आप मुझे बोल रहे हैं जप करो, ध्यान करो, मेरा घर कौन चलाएगा? मेरा पाव वाला आता है, मेरा दूध वाला आता है, मेरा सब्जी वाला आता है, घंटियां बजती रहती है. I have to attend to everybody. Because, I'm sorry, I was talking in Hindi, because that's the language Ma was talking. Ma was saying, your husband does so much jap dhyan and all that, you should also do it. So my mother argues with her and says, look, let's be practical about this. He shuts his door and does jap dhyan for 4 hours and all that. What you are saying, that is true. If I also shut my door and sit, मैं भी अगर दरवाजा बंद करके बैठ जाऊं, तो मेरा दूध वाला आता है, पाव वाला आता है, my दूध वाला comes, my milkman comes, my vegetable man comes, all the vendors come to the doorstep. They ring the bell and I have to attend to them. Who is going to attend if both of us have shut the doors and are sitting and doing jap dhyan? Tell me, Ma. So Ma started laughing and she's saying, koi nahi, koi baat nahi. So she said, dekho, I'm giving you a mantra. Now how lucky was my mother, okay? So she gave her a longish mantra to say. Now my mother was not used to any mantra or anything at that point of time. She says, no, Ma, this is too long and I cannot say any of this, you know. So Ma said, koshish karo. So she says, main nahi kar sakti. So Ma said, okay, I will say one word, you repeat after me. Then I will say one word, you repeat after me. So she said, okay, I'll try, you know, as if she's obliging somebody. My mother was too cute. She was really cute. So, can you imagine? Ma is saying one word and giving it to her and she's repeating. Again, she's saying one word and she's repeating. Again, she's saying, that is how Ma taught my mother how to do the entire mantra. This is how she got it from Ma. I mean, people don't get it like this. She was so lucky. And before that, I forgot to tell you, when Ma had mentioned some other mantra, okay? And my mother said, no, I don't believe in this Bhagwan, this Isht that you're talking about. I believe in this Isht. I am fond of this Bhagwan. Ma said, okay, I will change it. So Ma changed it and gave her the other one that she was asking for. Can you imagine somebody doing this? My mother did it. Now she got the mantra and everything, but she was doing it once in a while. But there comes a time, like I had earlier mentioned also, that she used to be, once she got her Diksha and all that, she would be glued in her mandir from 8:39 till 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and in the evening also 2 hours or something. So people were shocked. All her side, maternal relatives were shocked. They said, Kamlini, what happened to you? Her name was Kamlini. So we like, Kamlini? Kya, what is wrong with you? You have started doing all this? What Pundrik Bhai is doing? That is my father. What is wrong with you? So she says, no, you have to hear this. I had asked Ma so many years ago when she gave me this, that why should I do it? You have shown so much to my husband. So many chamatkars and so many experiences you've given to my husband. I have got none. But today, she has given me the biggest experience of my life by changing my daughter. She has made my daughter come on the path, because that time I had just entered the path and all that when she got her Diksha. I first got it and then she got it. By changing my daughter so completely from where to where, from a movie star to a sadhika, it's a big step. And Ma, I had told her to show me a chamatkar, and she's shown me today the biggest chamatkar that I can ever experience. So won't I believe in her? Of course I will. And that's why I'm doing it. Because she's kept her promise. Not that she promised, but what I had told her, she heard me. And she's given it to me. That was my mother, Jaima. She was absolutely amazing, my mother. So that was one incident that I thought I should tell you. What's happening to me today? Okay. Then there is this other incident which is in the book also. But I think I'll tell you. I was very young. Must be 10, 11 years old, I don't remember. But really young, And my father had taken me for Ma's Darshan. Now I don't even remember which place that was, okay? But there was a long queue. And it was 12 noon, okay? So you can imagine the sun is directly on our heads. And there was a long queue for Ma's Darshan. Now those days were the days when all the sadhus and sadhikas were not allowing anybody to touch Ma. And Ma used to sit on her chauki, that chauki is the bed, and they would cover her feet and everything completely with her white sari. Everything was covered. You could not see her feet, or you could not see anything. And there would be just one dialogue that we could hear all the time when we went for Ma's Darshan, and that was Chuna nahi, chuna nahi, chuna nahi means don't touch her, don't touch her, don't touch her. It went on. And there was this long queue, okay? So I'm standing in the sun with my father and I'm saying, what is the point of standing in this long queue? Ma used to be sitting on the chauki or probably lying down like Narayan. And one sadhu would be on her left and one would be on the right with these baskets of fruits, which she would distribute to, all the people who came to do pranam. So one fruit went to somebody, one fruit went to somebody, like that. And they would do pranam one by one in the queue and then walk off. And the sadhus will say, Chuna nahi, le lo, chalo, chalo, chalo. It was like that. So I'm standing in this queue right at the back we were. It would have taken us an hour to come close to Ma. It was really long, the queue. And I'm saying, I don't know why my father has made me stand in this queue, in this heat, in this sun. My head is splitting. And finally, what will happen? When we reach Ma, we will not be allowed to touch her or nothing. And they will keep shouting and telling us, chuna nahi, or chalo, chalo, chalo. So I have done darshan from here. Why should I go all the way over there when I'm not allowed to touch her? I would like to touch her feet. And I would like to bow down and do pranam to her. But I won't be allowed. So why should I stand in this queue? I'm not interested. What? They think we are achut? That we are shudra? That we can't touch? We are untouchables or what? I was doing all this because I had no understanding that time. So this went on. My muttering within myself went on. Okay. Finally, after an hour or so, we reached Ma. Ma, as usual, was sitting, looking here, there, never looking at you completely, So she was looking everywhere. I went close to her, and as luck would have it, lo and behold, what happened. Now listen to this carefully. Ma's feet that were covered with the sari came out like this from the sari, and she stretched her feet right in front of me. And I looked up, I left and right. Those days I had no understanding of any of this. I said, wow, she's actually showing me her feet to do pranam. And let me take this chance and do it. I told myself. I said, maximum I'll be fired by these people. And they'll tell me, chuna nahi. I dived into her feet and I touched her feet, got hold of her feet, literally touched her feet, and I did pranam. There was nobody who stopped me. In fact, I'm trying to put the experience into words because at that point I was so young that I did not understand. I thought this was a coincidence and I thought this was fluke, but it really wasn't that. Ma had made me jump the dimension to some other plane with her, and I could see these people standing there. I could hear them also. Their voices were very soft kind of thing, where they were talking and they were telling people, chuna nahi, don't touch. It was going on. But it was like nobody was with us except Ma and me. As if they could not see me or could not see Ma, and they were just busy doing whatever they were doing, taking out fruits and whatever. I touched her feet, I did pranam, and slowly it was like a mechanical thing that her feet went back. It was like they slid back and her feet were covered with the sari. And I just looked, and then suddenly all the voices started coming back loudly, That moment was over. And then the sadhus look at me and say, chuna nahi, tumne kar liya, pranam kar liya, acha phal le lo, prasad le lo, ye le lo, wo le lo. And I took the prasad and I said, thank you, and I walked off. And they said, okay, have you done it? You want to do pranam? It was like that, because they hadn't seen me doing it. That is what Ma did for me. And those days I was so naive and didn't understand any of this. But look at Ma's kripa, look at Ma's grace, and this happened to me, that I could do this. What was in my innermost recesses of my heart that I wanted to do at that time. I wanted to do pranam. She heard me all right, and she blessed me with that. Amazing, isn't it? It's in the book, In Love with the Divine Mother, Shri Anandamayi. This incident I have given in the book. And I hope whoever wants it, they get it very soon, because right now Amazon doesn't have the supply. And once the office, the publishing house, gives the supply to them, they will be releasing the books. So if anybody wants to order, they can order right now, but you will get the delivery when the books are delivered. So that's for today. Jai Ma, please write your comments in the comment box and tell me what you think. Jai Ma. Om Bhavatapa Pranashinne Ananda Kanamurte Jnana Bhakti Pradayinne Matastubhyam Namo Namaha. Jai Ma. Jai Ma.